Sarah put an amount of money in a bank which pays 2% annual interest. Okay, so for students who are not so familiar with this concept of interest, right? Let me explain to you. If you put money in a bank, they will give you an additional amount after 1 year. And this additional amount is what we call annual interest. This is why your parents put money in the bank. Okay? If they put the money under their own pillowcase, their money will not increase or grow. But if they put the money inside a bank under certain schemes or program, they may be able to get maybe 1 or 2% extra money. Why do you think the bank will want to give extra money? It's almost as good as rewarding the consumers, rewarding the customers for putting their money inside the bank. Okay, and then the bank will go and take the money and invest somewhere else so as to give them the 2% annual interest. This is actually the logic behind. Okay, now, so they said that Sarah put an amount of money in the bank which pays 2% interest. Then after 1 year, she received $25 as interest. Okay, see? So I have to then, okay, they said they did not withdraw any money from the bank. They say find the total amount of money that Sarah had in the bank after 1 year. If I have to draw a model for this will be very simple. You just draw one long bar, okay, of 100% first. This is the additional 2% of interest. This is after 1 year. So when Sarah first put in, right, Sarah only put in 100%. After 1 year, the bank paid 2% annual interest, which means that Sarah now has additional 2%. So total is what? Total is 102% that she will get after 1 year. Now they are saying that after 1 year she received $25 as interest. What is this interest? This is the interest. This 2% is the interest. So they're asking us find the total amount of money that Sarah had in the bank after 1 year, which means that from here to here is the big question mark. Okay, from here to here is the big question mark. So this will be quite easy, right? Because we only need to take 2% arrow $25. Okay, and the total amount, see, total amount of money that Sarah had in the bank after 1 year, right? It's not 100%, right? It's also not 2%. It is 102%. So I'm gonna find 102%. So for this one, again, we are using the same formula. Take 25 divided by 2, multiply by this. Okay, 25 divided by 2, multiply by 102. So throw this figure in your calculator. Let's see what answer we will get. Give me a second. Okay, 25 divided by 2 times 102, that will be $1,000, 275. Okay, simple, right? Now, just to explain to you a little bit further, I'm going to help you to find what is 100% right now. 100%, isn't it 25 divided by 2 times 100? See, 25 divided by 2 times 100, that will give us 1,250. If I'm wrong, 1250, yes, correct. Why do I want to show you this? Is actually because I want to help you to understand. Initially, right, she put in 100%, which is this white color bar. She put in $1,250. After 1 year, the bank gave her $25 as interest, as a reward. That's why she got $1,275 in the end. You see? That's why you should put your money inside the bank. So it will give you some interest to reward you. So, happy savings!